Good day, everyone. As you can see from the current weather conditions, there is a possibility of rain and strong winds in the coming days. So today, I will briefly explain the safety precautions during rain and wind. Number 1. Safety during rain. Rain may look normal, but it creates serious risks on site. Risks: slips and falls due to wet surfaces, water accumulation in excavations, and electrical hazards. Safety measures: avoid walking or working in flooded areas. Ensure proper drainage and dewatering. Keep electrical equipment away from water, and use anti-slip safety shoes. Real example: during previous rain, many sites had water-filled excavations which became unsafe and could collapse. Number 2. Safety during strong wind. Strong winds can be very dangerous, especially in construction sites. Risks: flying materials, falling objects, crane or lifting operation failure, and loss of balance at height. Safety measures: stop lifting operations during high wind, secure loose materials and tools, avoid working at height, and check scaffolding stability. Example: a small loose sheet can become a flying object and cause serious injury. Key instructions: always monitor weather updates, stop work if conditions become unsafe, report any hazard immediately, and follow supervisor instructions. Final message: rain and wind are natural, but accidents are preventable. If it is not safe, don't do the work. Your safety comes first. Thank you.